I have been to Dominican Republic quite a few times. I went on the resorts, and everybody in the resort says, it's so dangerous outside. I never left that resort. I came in, all inclusive, have a good time, and then I left. When I came outside of the resort, I was blown away by how beautiful it is. So I came to this place, to Sosua, as you guys know, and I built a house. But why Sosua? Why did I build a house where I am? So over the next few videos, I'm going to show you why, I'm going to show you where, I'm going to show you how beautiful this place is. This site in the back of me, I'm going to leave this for last because this is going to blow your mind. Whoever wants to Google it, it's called Santa Fe in Sosua Ocean Village. But these videos are going to give you a pretty good idea of what's going on here. It's going to give you an in-depth look of what we're building here, why we're building here, how beautiful it is. Honestly, I Airbnb these, but when I get in, I don't even want to leave. I'm so comfortable. I don't want to leave my house at all. Swimming pool, shower outside, bathroom inside, of course, right? Master bedrooms, king size, lots of closet space. To purchase a house like this in North America, in the location that's in, millions. In this area by the beach, fraction of the cost. So this community, amazing community. You don't need to leave here. 2 restaurants, 4 swimming pools with slides, gym, outside gym. There's a kids play area. There's even a glamping site. This community, you literally don't need to leave. So I'm going to do a few videos, maybe 4, maybe 5. So much to offer. I'm going to condense it and then break it down to you guys so you guys can see the beauty, you can see the food, have a good idea of where you can invest in. My investing style now is a place that I can enjoy, a place my family and friends can enjoy, also a place that's affordable. So if you can find affordability, comfort, luxury, and make money, then this is why I'm making this video, for you guys to understand what your options are. You can stay in North America, freezing cold, pay high prices. You would realize food is cheaper and healthier. I came to Dominican Republic. I was wondering, why are all these chickens so small? I can't find a good plump chicken, and then I realized it's because of all these hormones and stuff. It's not natural, and we eat that stuff. We get accustomed to it. We buy that stuff. Oh, a big, nice plump chicken, and we eat it. And what are we exposing our bodies to? Who knows, right? The carrots are ugliest things I've ever seen. I go through Whole Foods, I go through wherever, the carrots are all pristine. They look the same, not even a blemish on it. There is definitely something wrong with that, and we eat it. But anyways, I also have a banana tree in my backyard, and I plan to plant a lot more fruits and vegetables. Even though I Airbnb it, the guests, they can come and pick their own fruits, and that is another thing that we will offer. Okay, let's get to the numbers. I paid $75,000 for the land, but I financed it. So in all, by the end of the payments, it will be $90,000. Then I paid $220,000 to build a house. So in total, it's $310. Now, these houses, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 half baths with a swimming pool on that size of lot, goes for about $450. If I was to sell it really cheap, I wanted to get out really fast, under $400. I sell it for $380. It's gone. I would make about $60,000. That's if I sold it really cheap and I really needed to move it. But if I wanted to wait a little while, I get $450,000 for that house, no problem. The house itself, it's supposed to take about 6 months. So far, we are ahead of schedule, so it's looking good. But let's just say it takes 8 months to build, you take 3 months to sell, you're looking to make anywhere from 50 to 140 grand in 1 year. So that's what I do. I have 6 partners actually into this investment. What I do is I split up the equity for whatever people could afford. Some people put 25, some people put 10, whatever. And we got the job done. A person might have 200 grand. They get a bigger share. It's all percentages, right? A bigger share of the profit. The purpose of this is not to sell, although there's equity in it. The purpose of this is for Airbnb, which we expect to bring in anywhere between $4,000 to $6,000 in the beginning, and it is a business with repeat customers and consistency and proper customer service, keeping a high quality on cleanliness, giving the customer experience really high. We also planning to do tours. You get food, you get a butler service, you get anything you need here. We will cater to clients, building a strong loyalty and brand, and we're going to continue to grow. So we expect the profit margins to be higher and higher. Now, the thing about Sosua, where we're at, it's developing. There are more and more places being built, better restaurants coming in. It still has a long way to go. So we are in the early stages. However, in this property where we are, I'm in a restaurant that I come to in the mornings to have breakfast. In this community, it's very limited. We're by the ocean, we're by the beach. The amenities here are really tough to beat. There are more expensive properties, but for the price point and for what you get, this is hard to beat. Even in the more expensive places, it's just bigger and more exclusive, but the amenities are not as great. Anyways, that's my experience. You definitely get more land, you definitely get massive mansions, but we're not there yet. That's probably a place for you to live, but this is a place to Airbnb and make money. It's also a great place that you can enjoy. It's lovely here, and as the videos go by, you will see what I'm talking about. Have a great day. I hope those numbers help. Oh, there's one more thing I want to say. If you were to buy a property here, like the house that we're building, you would pay about $450,000. If you really look hard and you wait and you're patient, you might get it even for $399,000. You never know someone's position. They want to sell quick, they made their money, they want to get out. That is also possible. However, if you build, you are looking about $300,000 for the same property. You just have to wait 6 months. Also, you don't have to come up with the whole $300,000 right away. That's $150,000 to $100,000 savings. But it would take about 8 months, give or take, to complete the build. You pay a down payment, you have 2 years to build once you buy the land, and then you can continue making payments for the 2 years pretty much. So there you go. Santa Fe. It's amazing. When you see this place, it's going to blow your mind.